Good morning, children. Once again, we are seeing each other after quite some time. Last week I was not well. I'm still under treatment. I have a severe pain in my shoulder joint. Okay, so I cannot cover the lesson last week. This week we are going to learn lesson number 16, adverbs of comparison. First of all, let us understand what do you understand by adverbs. Simple. Verbs are doing words. Verbs are words also action. And adverbs add meaning to the verbs. Okay. How the verb has been carried out, where the verb has been carried out, or to what degree or to what extent the verb has been carried out. It may be about time also. Okay. So, and one more thing, adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. They describe nouns. I've taught you earlier. Adjectives are describing words. They describe nouns. Let's see the example. Big, bigger, biggest. Okay. That boy is big. This boy is bigger. And those boys are the biggest. It's comparison. Comparison means to compare, to tally, to say who is what type or what is what type. It may be about the size, it may be about the color, or it may be about any other quality of the noun. Adjectives describe noun. Same way, just like adjectives, adverbs may also be used comparatively. You are good, you are bad. You are fast, they are slow. This is comparison. Okay. Same way, adverbs also can be used comparatively. Let me see. Okay, let me complete the adjective ones. Big, bigger, biggest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Now let's come to the adverbs. Adverbs tell us how or where to what extent the verb has been done. They add meanings to the verbs like fast, faster, fastest. Okay. Well, better, best. Like Anu runs fast. Anu runs fast. Run is the verb. How does he run? Fast. Arun runs faster. Anu runs fast. Arun runs faster. Arjun runs the fastest. Arjun runs the fastest. So this is comparative. Let's see. Well, better, best. In the first time, Sachin did well. In the first unit test, let's say, in the first unit test, Sachin did well. In the second unit test, Sachin did better. And in the final term, in the third unit test, Sachin did the best. Means first he did well, second he did better, third he did the best. The comparison is there. And these adjectives, there are three degrees. These adjectives or adverbs can be divided into, categorized into three different degrees. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Positive degree is concerned about only one subject. Only one subject. Okay. Comparative is related with two subjects. Superlative is related with more than two subjects. Understand this? This is very important. Positive is only for one subject. Okay. Comparative is for two subjects. Superlative is for more than two subjects. Now I'm going to look at your book and give you some examples so that you can do the homework well. Right? Let's see some examples like fast, faster, fastest. Then comes hard, harder, hardest. Then bad, worse, worst. Much, more, most. Well, better, best. Little, less, least. Far, farther or further. Farthest or furthest. Same way. Well, better, best. Carefully, more carefully, most carefully. Now let me clarify this. All the comparative degrees or superlative degrees cannot be created by adding er. Okay, like you see, well, better, best. Some words, some adverbs are totally changed. You cannot change the degree of an adverb just by going on adding er or est. That is the general rule. An adverb's degree can be changed from positive to comparative and comparative to superlative by adding, I'm telling you about the general rule, by adding er in the comparative and est in the superlative. But all the adverbs cannot be changed or converted into another degree by adding er and est. In some cases, the adverbs are totally changed. Like one has been given there. Well, better, best. Some more are there. Like careful, more careful, most careful. Okay. Careful, more careful, most careful. Talkative, more talkative, most talkative. Beautiful, you cannot write beautiful, beautifuler, beautifulest. Wrong. Beautiful, beautifuler, beautifulest is wrong. You have to write beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Hardworking. Okay, suppose the adverb is hardworking. Adjective is hardworking. Hardworking, more hardworking, most hardworking. See adverbs. Okay. So adverbs have 3 degrees. First one is positive degree. It is used for a single subject. Second one is for comparative degree. There is a comparison between 2 subjects. And third one is a comparison between more than 2 subjects. Let's see. In page number 73, some exercises have been given. The instruction says, pick out the adverbs from the following sentences and mention the degree of comparison in each. 2 things here to do. First of all, you have to underline the adverbs in the sentences. Okay. First of all, you have to underline the sentences in the adverbs in the sentence. After that, you have to write what kind of adverbs they are. It may be positive degree, it may be comparative degree, or it may be superlative degree. I'll give you 5 examples from page number 73. See, the girl was sitting in a corner and weeping quietly. We are doing adverbs. Adverbs qualify the verbs. Adverbs add meaning to the verbs. So here the verb is weeping. Weeping means crying. And how was she crying? Quietly. Quietly. Okay. So quietly is the adverb. So which degree is it? Positive, comparative, superlative. It is positive because quietly, more quietly, most quietly. Okay, these are the different degrees. Quietly, more quietly, most quietly. So here it's just the word adverb is quietly, it is positive degree. Number 2. The sooner we finish our work, the earlier we can go home. So number 2, finish is the verb. When to finish? Sooner. Sooner. So what degree is it? Soon, sooner, soonest. So sooner is comparative degree. In the same line, earlier is also there. Early, earlier, earliest. So earlier is also comparative degree. Number 3, Rahul did better in English than in mathematics in the examination. Did is the verb. What did he do? Better. How did he do? Better. So we have to put this word, the adverb, in the column. Good, better, best. So the adverb here is better. Better is comparative degree. Okay. Number 4, they stayed longer at the place when they have planned. Stay is the verb. And which is the adverb? Longer. Now you have to put categories. Longer, long, longer, longest. So here longer is comparative degree. Okay. The last one, last example. Number 5. This match has been drawn most carefully and so the course of the river correctly. Drawn. Drawn is the verb. How has it been drawn? Most carefully. Now let's see the table. Careful, more careful, most careful. Same way. Carefully, more carefully, most carefully. So means most carefully means it is superlative degree. So total 15 questions or let's say sentences are there. You complete it in your textbook. The next time I shall correct it and you will copy it in your note. So children, this was only for today.